Okay, what are you gonna give him, Arlene?
Pop rocks. What you gonna eat? Pop rocks.
Oh, the pause movie.
Okay, I'm gonna give you little by little first. Not to scare you.
Just trying to figure out what makes her bigger and what makes her smaller. You watch Alice in Wonderland?
No.
It's really good.
Really?
Yeah, I like it a lot. Just put it in his mouth.
Okay. Ah.
We'll bring someone with you. Whoever wants to go with you.
Nothing. Nothing bothers her.
More?
It's like, what's happening?
Don't swallow it. You gotta chew it.
Alice in Wonderland?
Yeah.
You guys bought it?
Ezra,
it's rented.
you like it?
I like it a lot. I would buy
Good?
it if I could like maybe.
Good?
Oh, you already watched it?
Huh? Yeah.
I haven't watched it yet.
It's good.
Wait, were you there when all the